Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to WhatsApp a new number without saving it. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the WhatsApp app. Launch the WhatsApp. Now as you might know, you are not able to text a new number without saving it in your contacts. So in order to WhatsApp a new number without saving it in your contacts, first of all, head over to your preferred web browser on your phone. After you are in your browser, tap on the search bar and type in wa.me. Now give a slash. Now enter the new number who you want to add. You need to make sure that this number has a WhatsApp account. Only then after you can be able to text them. Once you enter the number, you can now search for it. It will redirect you to the WhatsApp website. Here it says chat on WhatsApp with this number. So you can simply tap on this continue to chat button. And there you go. It will prompt you to the WhatsApp app. You are now on the chat page with this number. We haven't added this number to our contact list, but by doing this, we can now chat with this number without actually having to save it in our contacts. So that's it. That's how you can WhatsApp a new number without saving it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.